We'll just talk about the markets, and of course the big hot topic of late in the markets has been the flurry of resignations coming in from statutory auditors of all these listed companies. You had a 1% beverages, and Atlanta as well did see its statutory auditor PricewaterhouseCoopers resigning from their post. So let's just bring on board a clarification then from the company themselves. Mr. Rajhoo Bbarot, the chairman of Atlanta, joins us now on the show. Mr. Bbarot, let's start off first by understanding what was the issue with the auditor, with PricewaterhouseCoopers. What went wrong? What were their own grievances, and what's the way ahead for the company?
Our board meeting was scheduled for 29th of May and for the audit committee to adopt the accounts. Now, prior to that, up to March 2018, we had received reopening orders under section 147 from the income tax for 6 years and assessment for 1 year. Now, if you see totally this effect of reopening, the tax liability was 11.16 crores, out of which one of the issues were under section 14A of the Income Tax Act, pursuant to which this total liability of 11.16 crore was levied on us. Now, in the past, in the same company, we have been successful in the appellate authority, wherein 14A addition has been set aside. So, if we take this implication of 14A, which has got about 12.40 crore, you will appreciate that tax liability is very negligible or minimal and not material to the total size of the company. Now, this statement was made available to the auditors by our Vice President account somewhere on 30th of March. They sought all the details of the assessment orders and reopening orders passed under section 147 and 143 on 22nd of May, which was forthwith given to the auditors.
Okay. So, Mr. Bbarot, then what would be your answer? Because PwC claims that the company may be hiding information. So, how would you like to respond to that accusation made by PwC?
No, there is no hiding of information. That is not said by them also. What they wanted on 26th of May was we require additional time. So, on 27th May, immediately we told them that additional time is not possible in view of deadline of 29th of May, wherein the board meeting is there. So, immediately on 27th May, we replied to them. On 28th May, they said that we will be required to put some noting. So, for that discussion was there on 29th. Abruptly, they resigned. I don't know for the reasons best known to them. But if you see the correspondence, which is now in public domain, which we have given to the stock exchanges, at no point of time they have said that information is not given. They said information we got on 22nd, which was belated, and that is why perhaps they wanted more time. Now, by coincidence, one of the directors, because of preoccupation, had resigned. So, on 20th, we also intimated the stock exchanges that because of want of quorum, the audit committee and board meeting will be postponed. In view of that, time also was available, and that we had told them on 28th evening that now additional time by coincidence is available to you. So, you please go through everything and give your statements. Unfortunately and surprisingly, we were astonished to see that on 29th at 4 p.m. they said they are resigning.
Right. Do you expect this query to be answered quickly? I mean, do you expect an issue in this resolution, a quick one at that, to this matter?
Coming week, we are appointing a new set of auditors, and as I said, if you see the total impact of the issue what they have raised under 147 is practically immaterial to the size of the company. Total addition is 11.16 crores, out of which earlier years the appellate authority has set aside the additions made by the tax authorities. Our net worth is more than 470 crores, and with this I am confident that new set of auditors will be able to clear the air.
Okay, and lastly, how much time will it take for this issue to get clarified?
Clarity. I mean, see, next week in the board meeting, we are appointing the new set of auditors, and then whatever time is required for EGM to ratify the appointment of the new auditors about 23. So by July, we should be out with a new set of, audited set of numbers from the new auditors.
All right, we leave it at that. Thanks very much, Mr. Bbarot, for joining us and giving us those details about your business. We wish you the very best for the future.